Good morning, catastrophic students, and welcome to our first full week of May. Today is Monday, May 4th, and today we begin our final unit of the fourth 9 weeks and our school year. We begin our nuclear catastrophe unit. This week we have 5 days of assignments already posted. Take a look at your advanced planner. Each day we have a different aspect of nuclear catastrophes to take a look at. There are Google Forms that are posted under each day's assignment, and on those Google Forms are questions that you'll be able to answer. You'll also find the videos that go along with those handouts. In order to access the video, just click on the blue title. You might have to double click the blue title, but click on the blue title. The video should pop up and you can get rolling. For those of you that might be behind, it is certainly not too late to catch up with your work. If you're missing assignments, they can still be accepted at full value. That hasn't changed. It's always been that way in catastrophic science. The due date's when you turn it in. But we are also nearing the end of the fourth quarter. So if you want to catch up and you're hoping to catch up, the time to start is right now. So if you have any questions, fire me an email on how this will all work. I highly encourage you, if you are behind, to concentrate on the assignments that took place from April 17th to the most recent this week. So start making things up beginning on April 17th, then take a look at 18th, 19th, 20th, and proceed till we get to the stuff that we're doing this week, because the district has decided to emphasize those assignments, everything that took place after April 17th, as the most significant. If you have any questions on that, don't hesitate to email me. Good luck. Enjoy your nuclear catastrophe unit. Have a great day.